How do you post in thousands of groups? Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. First, go to the comment section and select the comment function. Next, choose the accounts you want to post from and select the groups. Select all. Set the parameters. Then choose the content you want to post. And finally, enter the group IDs where you want to post. After setting the parameters, save your settings. And click Start. Let's check out the results. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, see you all in the next video. If you want to try out or own this tool, just message me right away on Telegram or WhatsApp.